my previous motion, Mr. President. Mr. President, I move that the Senate Secretary, Mr. President, I move that the Senate President will now take his oath as the presiding officer of the impeachment proceedings. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none. The motion is approved. Chair would like to call on the Senate Secretary to ascend the rostrum to administer the oath. I, Francis Cheese G. Escudero, solemnly swear that in all things appertaining to the trial of the impeachment of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte, now pending, I will do impartial justice according to the Constitution and laws of the Philippines. So help me God.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, may I respectfully move that the senator judges take their oath at 4 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow, June 10, 2025. And again, reiterate, Mr. President, what Mr. Presentation mentioned a while ago, that after the oath taking of the senator judges, the court will be constituted, but not convenient, Mr. President. Thank you, Mr. President.
So noted and entered into the records. Is there any objection to the motion? Hearing none. Motion is approved. Majority Leader.